is for astronaut. B is for black hole. C is for comet. D is for dwarf planet. E is for eclipse. F is for full moon. G is for galaxy. H is for Hubble. I is for infrared. J is for Jupiter. K is for Kepler. L is for lunar cycle. M is for meteor. N is for nebula. O is for orbit. P is for planets. Q is for quasar. R is for rocket. S is for Saturn. T is for telescope. U is for universe. V is for Venus. W is for wormhole. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow dwarf. Z is for zodiac.